I was gonna record it playing music, but then the music stopped because I'm Bluetoothing it, so it stopped playing. I haven't popped it all the way in yet. Stopped playing when I started recording. But anyway, I wanted to let you know I got it working. The thing I had to do was, so I had gotten that wiring harness, and you didn't know, but I was having trouble. I got power but no sound. There was this white cord, or blue with white. This is the amp. The amp in these cars is separate from both of the units, and there was none on my radio thing with the white with blue. There's just the blue. And so I saw one guy's video, and he says just wire it to the two red power, not the constant power yellow, but the red power, and that fixed it. That brought sound to the speakers. Now the only thing is I have that other one somewhere in here. Well, I have this little guy that says amp. I don't know what that's for. I think it's connecting from the CD player to transfer the amp or something like that. There's another one that I think is bringing speakers from the CD player connected to this. Because right now the CD player works, but there's no sound from it. But I don't even know if I did that, if it would even work still, because this doesn't have a CD mode. But I might try messing with it eventually someday. But even my lower subwoofers are working and everything, so yeah, pretty awesome. I'm excited. It's so nice. My speakers are good quality and everything, so it's pretty awesome. I wonder how this, I guess it just sort of sits in there. Oh, I haven't put the harness things on, that's right. I need to do that. Anyway, I will see you.